Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this JP Morgan Automated Investing review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. JP Morgan Automated Investing, nestled within the broader Chase ecosystem, presents a user-friendly robo-advisor experience perfect for those seeking a hands-off, low-cost investment solution. Backed by a titan in the financial world, it's a particularly attractive option for existing Chase customers looking to streamline their financial life within a single platform. However, its accessibility extends beyond Chase customers to anyone interested in automated, goal-oriented investing. Getting started with JP Morgan Automated Investing is straightforward. The platform guides you through a series of questions about your financial aspirations, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Based on your responses, a diversified portfolio is constructed, primarily comprised of cost-effective JP Morgan ETFs. This approach not only keeps expenses low but also leverages the firm's considerable internal investment expertise. Your portfolio is automatically rebalanced to maintain your chosen risk level, eliminating the need for constant monitoring and adjustments, a major plus for busy individuals or those just starting their investment journey. With a minimum investment requirement of just $500, JP Morgan Automated Investing opens its doors to both novice investors and those with more substantial capital. The annual advisory fee of 0.35% is competitive, covering automated portfolio management and access to valuable planning tools. While the fee doesn't include access to human financial advisors, the platform's simplicity and efficiency make it a compelling choice for investors comfortable with a fully digital experience. One of the most compelling features for Chase customers is the seamless integration with existing Chase accounts. View your investments alongside your checking, savings, and credit card balances all within the same app. This consolidated view provides a comprehensive snapshot of your overall financial health. Furthermore, the platform offers robust goal planning features to help you work towards various financial milestones, whether it's retirement, buying a home, or achieving other financial objectives. For cost-conscious investors who prioritize simplicity and convenience, JP Morgan Automated Investing is an excellent option. Its appeal is amplified for Chase customers seeking a streamlined financial management experience. If you're in search of a trusted, low-maintenance solution to grow your wealth, this platform delivers. Check out the links in the description for more information and to get started.